me and Harad. Today in this video we'll be unboxing some teas that my mum ordered from Bird and Blend. I really can't wait. Can you, Mum?
I can't wait to see your face when I tell you some of the flavours as we call them out. I didn't tell you all the ones I was going to order, did I?
No, it's going to be really lovely.
Such a huge choice. So
There is.
I thought I'd order a few and then maybe get some more another time.
That'd be lovely. Come on, let's go find out what teas my mum ordered. Got it, Mum?
Okay, good.
Ooh. Ready? Smells lovely.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh. Here you go.
It's got some recipes here as well on how to do some different drinks.
Ooh.
Let's just look at. Oh, there's a few free samples as well.
Ooh, that's
There you go.
lovely. What's that one, Mum?
Oh, this is a coconut collab chocolate.
Ooh, I love them. What's that one, Mum?
This one is, this is one that you really fancy trying. Hot cross bun flavour.
Ooh. Sounds different, doesn't it?
It does.
What's that one?
This one is chocolate digestive.
Ooh. Oh, that one?
Oh, this one is Copacabana Cooler.
Ooh. That one?
Cherry Bakewell.
Oh, that sounds amazing, doesn't it?
It does.
That one?
Oh, it's one of the sample ones of birthday cake.
That sounds so different.
It does.
And so lovely too.
This one is the peppermint.
Mmm.
Not sure if you like this one. Gingerbread Chai.
Thank you. I really want to try that one.
And this one, well, we had to get this one with living in Wales and being Welsh cake cwtch. Cwtch meaning
Cuddles.
hugs and cuddles. This one is the baby egg.
Ooh. That one?
Mojita,
Ooh. They all sound amazing.
don't they? Rhubarb and custard.
Here we thought we'd try today the hot cross bun tea. Oh my gosh, the packet smelled amazing when you opened it, didn't it, Mum?
It really did. The smells were so wonderful.
They really were. It's really, really lovely. All of the wonderful flavours go so well together. It's really nice and refreshing.
Should we go and enjoy it then?
Yes, please. Today we thought we'd try the baby egg one. This smells absolutely amazing, doesn't it, Mam?
It does. As soon as when I opened the packet and while it was brewing, it was such a lovely smell.
It's really, really lovely. I love all of the wonderful flavours so much, and a lovely hint of sweetness as well. It's really, really lovely. Definitely want to get again. I'm just about to try the mojito. Smells lovely, doesn't it, Mam?
It really does.
I love the smell of brewing too.
It was a lovely smell. It really was. I'm looking forward to trying mine in a minute.
It's really, really lovely and tasty. I love all of the refreshing flavours so much. They're really, really lovely.
Should we go and enjoy the rest of it?
Yes, please. I really can't wait to try this tea, the Gingerbread Chai.
That's been the one you've been really looking forward to trying.
It really, really has. And oh my gosh, does it smell so lovely, doesn't it, Mam?
It does. When I opened the packet, the smell was amazing. And as it's been brewing, it's a lovely smell in the kitchen now.
It's such a wonderful smell. We'd love so much to hear from you in the comments if you have a favourite tea company. Where is it? I think Bird and Blend is really good, isn't it, Mam?
It is.
There's so many wonderful varieties of different vegan teas, including matcha, which we're going to get those now, aren't we, Mam?
We are. That's it.
Can't wait to get on.
It'd be lovely to hear if anyone else has ordered anything from
Bird and Blend
or visited
one of the cafes. We hope to one day, don't we, Mam?
We do.
Oh my gosh!
Is that a one to get again?
Definitely! I think all of the wonderful flavours from this tea are so delicious. It's such a lovely and refreshing tea. I'm just about to try the chocolate digestive one. Smell lovely.
The smell was so wonderful when I opened the packet, and while it's brewing,
You can smell it all through the house.
you can. Really lovely, strong smell.
Oh.
Is it good?
It's really, really lovely. Such a lovely flavour. You wouldn't think a chocolate digestive tea would be this lovely.
Oh, I'm looking forward to trying mine.
Really hope you like it. I do. Here today we thought we'd try the rhubarb and custard one. My gosh, the smell in the packet just smelled like the rhubarb and custard sweet, didn't it, Mam?
It did. As soon as I opened the packet, the smell from the packet really did.
It's really, really lovely. And the smell while it was brewing too was so lovely as well.
The whole kitchen smells lovely of rhubarb and custard.
It does. And it smells so lovely in the cup as well. It's really, really lovely. I love all of the lovely flavours from the rhubarb and custard. They go so well together. You really wouldn't think that rhubarb and custard would taste so lovely in a tea. It's so lovely.
So you're going to enjoy it then?
Yes, please. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. And if you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. I love to hear from you in the comments. This time I'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the Bud and Blend teas. If you have, what has been your favourite flavour? I've really enjoyed them all. The ones we've tried, have you, Mum?
I have. I'm looking forward to trying some more as well.
Me too. If you haven't tried Bud and Blend, what's your favourite tea? We would love so much to know. And we really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care.